channel Tech Enabler, and today we will talk about how to update the cell values in Pandas. So let's get started. I'll be using the Anaconda for this lab, and let's just launch a notebook. I'm gonna select a new file. So first thing is I'm gonna import pandas with the alias. Now I need to create a data frame. I think I have already created a data frame, so I'll just copy this, and this is my data frame which has 3 columns: space, name, age and sex, and having some values. Let's execute it, and when we run it, we should be able to see the data in tabular formats. Now if we're talking about the value which we need to replace in cells, there are various ways to do this. One is to use the lock method, one is to use the ilock, and another one that recently, which is introduced, is at. So let's try all these 3 methods. So starting with lock basically works on row and the columns. So what we need to do is, if we wanted to get a value, right, we need to do this, and if we want to get the value for the first row, then we have to use 0, as we know that indexes start from 0, and if we wanted to get it for the name, we just have to pass the value to it. Now let's execute, and we will get the Martina. That's into the first index, 0th index, right? Here the difference with lock and ilock is that ilock completely works on the row and column indexes, whereas lock works on row indexes and the column name. So if you want to get this value to be accessed by ilock, you need to use ilock, and row index is 0, and we know that for the name, basically the index would be 0. Let's try this. We got it, Martina, right? But the same thing, if we do it using the ilock by passing the column name, it will throw an error. As we can see that it says the value error, right? Now suppose that if we wanted to get the values for multiple rows, we can pass it by this. If you want to get it values for, say, for example, first to third row, we can just do like this, and we can run it. So as you can see that we are getting the value for the column name for the first 3 rows. Likewise, we can also do into the ilock method. It's just that we need to pass the index instead of name. Let's try this, and we got the same value. Okay, the one difference that you see here is that its results only Martin and Alexei. Reason being, this limits basically 0 and first, and it doesn't go to the truth, whereas into lock it will also take the basically the last element which we have declared. So likewise, into the case of 0, if we have to consider the gems as well, into this output we have to pass the 3. So let's check it out. As you knew that we have got this 3. Now talking about the at method. So if some of you has already practiced the pandas in past, you might have heard about a method called set value, where we generally what do is, first we pass the row and then basically count column and the value. this method is deprecated or depreciating into the upcoming Pandas releases. So the best way to do this same thing is using at method. Let's try it out. So say for example, if we wanted to access the value using at, we can do like this. It's 0th row and the column is name. We got it, Martina. Now the good thing about add is if you wanted to update a specific value, you can just do it like this. 10. It will update the value on the 0th index. Let's check it out. Into the name column, the Martina must be replaced with 10. So as we can see, it has replaced with 10. Now if you wanted to get the value for that specific row, we can still do this without using any assignment operator. So we are getting that value. Now when to use this method? You cannot use the basically limits or series into the at method. Meaning, if you wanted to do this, you won't be able to do so. It will throw an error. So basically at is designed to use on basically a specific cell value, whereas iLock and lock both can be used into a different entire series as well. So that's the basic difference. So in future, if you wanted to update a specific cell value, use at. That's a way faster, like the way that we say. Now let me update this with this previous name. We cannot do this because I'm doing wrong. So let's correct it and do it right again. We got it. So let's print it again and we got it updated. I hope this is clear to you. Let me know if you wanted me to cover anything which is missing. Thank you.